So if you probably have any question, about the analysis, the technical analysis and price prediction, you can, feel free to use the live chat. Okay. So that is for those who are watching me live on OB Global. Okay. Kindly feel free to use the live chat. So if you are watching this on YouTube, as a replay, okay, leave me a comment down below so that I can explain further. You can even criticize me. Okay. It's a free word. Okay, criticize me if what I'm doing is not making sense to you. Come on, guys, let me know. Okay, let me know. All right. So because I have this belief that no one is an island of knowledge. Okay, so every day of our lives we keep learning and learning and learning. Okay, so the more we learn, the more it increases our capability. Okay, and the more we take feedback from people. Okay, the more our chances of success. Okay, so I love to take feedbacks from you. Okay, if you think that what I'm doing is not making sense, but to be honest with you, I've been doing this for a while. Okay, I've been doing this for a while, and I've been trading profitably, since over 3 years now. Okay, even though I started crypto, in the last 6 years. Okay, so I make mistakes too. Okay, or I have a decent win rate. Okay, when I trade market, I have decent win rate. All right, and I'm a teacher, I'm a coach, I'm a tutor. I mentor people to become successful when it comes to trading. All right. So for that reason, I believe that I have a whole lot to offer, to offer you in this space. Okay. I have a whole lot of experience to share with you, so all I'm asking from you is to pay attention to all I have to say. Okay. Learn from me, pay attention to what I'm about to share with you. Okay, then hit the follow button right now. Okay, so that's how to become part of the tribe. Okay, so that anytime I go live, you have access to the live stream directly. And if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the channel now and turn on notification, because if you subscribe and you turn on or you did turn on notification, it means that you don't like me. Okay, that's the meaning. You don't like me. That's the meaning. Okay, so when you subscribe, you make sure that you turn on notification, because when I go live next time, okay, YouTube will notify you that, oh, your favorite crypto guy is here. He has uploaded more videos, to the platform. All right. So now, if you are trading Bitcoin, let me know in the live chat. Okay. If you are trading Bitcoin, let me know in the live chat. If you are trading, if you are trading BTC, let me know in the live chat. Okay. So, or you are holding Bitcoin, okay, let me know. If you are holding Bitcoin or you are trading Bitcoin, let me know. Of course, there are people who don't like Bitcoin, that actually hate Bitcoin. It exists in the crypto space. It's not a big deal. All right, it's not a big deal. So there are Bitcoin maximalists, there are Ethereum maximalists across the world. So it's not a big deal. All right. So also let me know where you're watching me from, the country where you're watching me from. Okay. So to all of you who are sending me roses, I appreciate you a whole lot. Thanks a lot for that. I appreciate it. So now when you look at the charts right here, okay, you can see technically I have been analyzing this chart for a while. Okay. So for those of you, oh, Bratang said that he has been trading Bitcoin. Yeah, that's really impressive. Okay, I can see your hands up. I can see your emoji right there. Okay, guys, if you're just joining us for the first time, okay, hit the follow button right now. Okay, and if you want to show me that you're actively engaged in the live chat, keep pressing the love emoji. Okay, the likes. If you're using the old app, it will be displayed as like button. But if you're using the latest app, it will be displayed as a love button. Okay, so hit that button and start uh, showing me that you are here. Okay, and start showing me that you are here. All right. So I've actually been analyzing this chart for a while, because I've used this chart in a class that I taught. Okay, I taught a class, trade to earn class for for a while. Like I think was it last month? Yeah, last month. Okay, I had a boot camp where I trained quite a number of traders in that boot camp. So I use this chart for analysis, and we talked about what's it called? Chart patterns. Okay, we talked about chart patterns in that class. Okay, chart patterns. Let me type it here. Chart patterns and candlesticks. Okay, candlesticks formation. All right. Okay, chart patterns and candlesticks formation. All right. So we talked about that. Wow, wow. The emojis are now up to 1,000. Come on, guys. Make it 5K, 5,000. I love that. Yeah, I love that. Who doesn't like emoji? I love emojis. So, um, if you look at this, I went back in history. Okay, I was showing them different patterns and how they eventually play out on the charts. All right. So if you look at this, for instance, okay, you can see different chart patterns on my screen. Can you see it? Double bottom, double top, bullish trend, okay, manipulation, channel, exhaustion, and all that. You can see there all of them right there on the chart. Okay. So but I'm not going to be dwelling on that. Let's just go straight to the point. Yeah, let's go straight to the point. Now, if you have watched my previous live streams or my previous updates on YouTube, you will have noticed that I've drawn this line since a very long time. Okay, I've drawn this trend line since a very long time. Like that trend line shows that Bitcoin is still not bearish yet. Okay, if you're following me on WhatsApp, okay, or you are following me on Telegram, you must have noticed this. Okay, if you're following Crypto Nature on Telegram, okay, you must have noticed this. I told you guys earlier on that. Come on, guys. Well, even though we are having a kind of dip in the market, like price actually fell all the way from this point. Okay, but I still don't believe that we are in a bearish trend as far as Bitcoin and Ethereum are concerned. Okay, that's not my belief. I believe that this trend line needs to be broken downward. Okay, downward before I will agree. Something like this. Okay, it has to be something like this. No, not this. What's happening? Come on, what's happening? Where is this? Where is this tool? Okay, where is it? Okay, part. It has to be something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, or something like this. Before I'll say that Bitcoin is in a bearish trend, it has to move like this. Okay, like this. If I can agree that okay, we are in a because if you look at this bullish trend line, this is a bullish trend line. Can you see all the way from this point, from January 2023 up to this point, it has really been bullish. Okay, and I've drawn this light trend line for a very long time now. Okay, it's been here on the charts. Okay, and I'm using that trend line to track the market dynamics. Okay, and I think when was this? Probably around April 14th last month. Okay, I told my students in the class that okay, there is a lot of exhaustion right here. Okay, and 2 days after, 2 or 3 days after that time, okay, then that bearish bias was confirmed. Okay, so for the fact that Bitcoin became bearish from the recent top, okay, it does not actually mean that overall it is bearish. Okay, because when you're analyzing a chart, you have the macro analysis on that chart. We have the macro price movement and we have the micro price movement because in every bullish trend, there's always some level of bearish and bearish and bearish stuff. Okay, let me give you an example now. If there is a weekly bullish candle, just one candle, right? Okay, inside that bullish candle, there's going to be like 7 daily candles. Okay, 7 daily candles. It is hard. It is difficult that all the 7 candles will be bullish. Okay, that is difficult. But it is possible that among those 7 day bullish candles, Among those 7 days candles rather, there could be like two bearish candles and like five bullish candles, or let me say like three bearish candles and probably like five, sorry, three bearish candles and like four bullish candles, or it could even be two bullish candles and the rest will be bearish. Okay, so that is very very possible on the chart. Okay, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this daily candle, right? This is the daily candle. Okay, and look at this previous candle of the previous week. Okay, the market actually closed lower than it opened. Okay, it probably opened around 28,400 and it closed at 20 what, at 27,000. Okay, so now this is a bullish candle. Sorry, this is a bearish candle, right? It closed lower than its opening price, right? So if that is the case, you will be thinking that probably all the daily candles within these bullish candles, they will close bearish. No, it doesn't work like that. Now let me switch back to daily candle so I can see this for yourself. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Among all the candles, five of them were actually bearish. Okay. Only two were bullish, isn't it? So all of them can never be bearish. About 1, 2, 3, or 4 of them will be bullish. All right. So, but majorly, throughout that week, the market was bearish. Okay, but on the micro level, okay, we still enjoy some level of bullish bias in the market. All right. So that is how you look at it. Okay, that's how you look at it. So on a micro level, the market is bearish. But on a macro is bigger than micro. Okay, you have to take note of that. So on a macro level, okay, we are bullish. Now, and if you look at this chart right here, okay, if you're a sound technical analysis person or you're just getting started, you notice that this is an exhaustion candle. Okay, this is a bearish exhaustion candle. Like the bears are getting exhausted at this point. That is the meaning. All right. So they're getting exhausted at this point. So when you see this exhaustion candle at the bottom of the micro trend, okay, then you should know that there's going to be a sign of relief. Okay, so the buyers are taking over. They drove the market back up. And this is obvious in the previous candles, as you can see right here on your screen. Okay, there is a massive battle. You can say the last two candles actually closed as a bullish candle. Okay, and the third one, which is forming now, it's also forming as a bullish candle. So there is a lot of potential right here, and I'm tipping that Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin will enjoy an uptrend from here. Okay, that is it. All right, based on what you are saying right here. Okay, based on what you are saying right here, and if you look at the chart closely, okay, this is a very long week. Okay, it's a week that dropped all the way to 25,000. Okay, it means that last week Bitcoin actually tested 25,000 on the charts. Okay, even though it didn't stay long on that level. Okay, these are things you have to look out for. Okay, and let's switch back to line chart and see if we can make more sense from that. Okay, you can say that it actually formed a double top on a micro level. Okay, you can say double top there, isn't it? Okay, on a micro level. Okay, so and that is why you can see there's a leg down. Okay, and right now we've actually gotten to a new support level. Look at this support. Uh, sorry. Okay, look at this support level. All right, so this support is holding nicely. Okay, this support level is holding nicely, as you can see from your screen. Okay, And there's going to be a bounce from here. Okay, there's going to be a bounce from here, except to be honest with you, fundamentals drive the market. Human activities, human psychology, human emotion drives the market. So it is possible that there could be a news, okay, maybe a news from China, a news from US, that can actually drop the price further. But technically, looking at the charts, okay, looking at the charts, then there's going to be a price reversal. Okay, technically speaking, there's going to be a price reversal from here. Okay, so now let me go back to the candles. These are the candles, so that I can have access to more information on the candles. Okay, so you can have access to more information on the candles, right? So you can see that if you would like to open a long position, okay, this is a confirmation right here. You have two confirmations already. So if you would like to open a long position on Bitcoin, okay, so I will suggest that you open a long position, okay, and you have your stop loss, probably at 25,900. All right. So you have your stop loss at 25,900. Okay. Then you should have your take profits at 30,000. Yeah. Have your TP at 30,000. That is a reasonable level. Okay. Depending on this depends on your um what's it called? Risk to reward ratio, isn't it? So that's what you should be looking at. You can even open a long position right now. Okay, you can open a long position right now and have the stop loss at the right points. Okay, even that is even a long place for your stop loss. Okay, you can have your stop loss at probably like 6,500. Okay, and see if market will reject that level. Okay, and check if market will reject that level. So that is one thing you can do if you are a trader. Okay, you can open your position now. Okay, and if you're going to be investing in Bitcoin, well, it's not bad. It's not so bad to buy now. Yes, you can buy now, and if you buy now, you should be buying at different support levels. Okay, that is going to be on a macro level, not micro level, please. On a macro level. So this is one support. Okay, this is one historical support. Let me check. Okay, this is a very interesting point on the chart. 21,000. Okay, it has been an historical support and resistance for a while now. Okay, so if price should test that level, okay, because it is a very cool point of interest on the chart, so it makes sense to open a long spot position. Okay, a long position on the spot market. Okay, you probably buy, send to your wallet, and keep it in the private wallet. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So you have your buy limit order at 21,500. Okay, then you have your first buy at this level. Okay, so that's how to do a proper DCA. So you space, the entry levels accordingly. So that is for those who are going to be investing. But for traders, it makes sense to open a long position now. And as you can see, the price is going up gradually. As you can see right there on the screen. So you open long, okay, then you have your stop loss and take profit accordingly on the chart. Okay, so let's look at other important factors, news and events around the crypto world, okay, that can influence the market direction. So we're going to be looking at coin markets calendar, if there's any major news for this week. Okay, tomorrow this platform will launch their V2. Okay, is this on Gala? Okay, October, August, there's going to be having on Litecoin, the DDT protocol launch That will be May 23rd. Okay, then KRZA exchange. That will be like they have 15 upcoming events. Okay, this is a point with the potential, and I believe that this could be a sponsored post. That's my belief anyways. Okay, then you have Gala. Okay, V2 token drop will be taking place tomorrow. Okay, that's a very important news in the crypto world. You have eCash network upgrade. That will be tomorrow, isn't it? Then you have Gala. Okay, trying to like switch to V2. That's gonna be their their V2 platform. Okay, then there's gonna be a dropping new Gala token to all their holders. Okay, they have a Dex launch strong and finance. They're gonna be launching their Dex when that will be tomorrow also. Okay, daily KRX that will be tomorrow. Man, there's a bunch of news and updates tomorrow. That will make our voting events for Tecton. Okay, it's voting May. If successful, we will gain substantial exposure. Okay, they have Lido DAO. Okay, bitmap listing for PEP. Okay, then which other one again? So which other one again should we pay attention to? Network upgrade for secrets. I'm going to be having a network upgrade also this week. Okay, that will be on Tuesday. Oh, I think today is 15, right? Yeah, today is 15. That will be tomorrow. Tomorrow is 16, isn't it? Okay, so these are some of the news that you have to take a look at. If you let us check out for more, okay, cover that'll be like cover 13 release. That'll be on 17th. Okay, we have Crypto GPT, the brand to layer AI. Okay, wow, that's impressive. That'll be on, they have Bitcoin builders. Okay, the Bitcoin builders conference is the first ever Bitcoin layer one and layer two events dedicated to blockchain innovation. That will be on that will be like day after tomorrow. That will be on Wednesday. Okay, this is also an important event in crypto world. A very, very important event. So we have let me check for more. Okay, mainnet, various chain mainnets, VRSC, kickstart public sale, okay, for this coin. Okay, community call. So we have a couple of events that we may want to track on coin market calendar. Okay, but let's look at the global economic calendar. Okay, for Forex Factory. Okay, let's look at the global economic calendar. We have a USD Empire State Manufacturing Index. Okay, the outcome of this might have a slight impact on Bitcoin. Okay, whatever outcome that comes out is going to be having like small impact on Bitcoin. And then also we have news on USD also, which is the core retail sales month over month, right? Core sales that will be like on Tuesday. Okay, on Tuesday. That also is significant news for dollar. Okay, and you know that dollar is trading against cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of them. So whatever happens to dollar, they influence the price of all of these assets too. Okay, so then Wednesday, on Wednesday you don't have major news. On Wednesday, there's no major news on Wednesday for USD. Okay, then on Tuesday, sorry, on Thursday, we have unemployment claims. Okay, unemployment claims in the US. That will be on Thursday. Then on Friday, we have Powell. Powell is going to be speaking on Friday, and whatever Powell sales may says may actually influence the market. Whatever he says may actually influence the market. So you have to keep tab on that because these are things that may influence your analysis. Okay, so you have to keep tab on them. But technically, Bitcoin is due for another bull run. Okay, Like technically, that's what I have to share with you. Okay, so these are things that could influence the market direction, and you need to pay attention. You can even set your alarm. Okay, set your alarm on Forex Factory so you can keep track of all of these events in real time. Okay, in real time. Okay, so you need to be careful. Crypto is risky. Okay, you need to be careful with what you do, and you need to seek knowledge. Okay, you have to make sure that you are not risking more than what you are willing to lose. Okay, all of these are disclaimers that you have to take seriously as far as cryptocurrency and other financial markets are concerned. All right, so I believe that some of you are active on YouTube. Okay, I believe that. So I'm going to go to YouTube now. So I'm going to go to YouTube now. Okay, and when I get to YouTube, I will search for Crypto Niche channel. Okay, and that's exactly what I want you to do now. I want you all to search for Crypto Niche YouTube channel. So search for it. Okay, Crypto Niche channel. Okay, so search for it on YouTube now. Okay, you see a channel with 1.8k. It's which is 1.8 thousand subscribers. Okay, so that's the channel you want to follow. So you can click on the icon. Okay, then you need to follow. Okay, by clicking the icon. If you want to watch video on how to become a crypto writer or a blockchain writer, then there's a full tutorial for you right here that you can watch. All right, so you can subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, okay, and be a part of the family. Anytime I upload video about technical analysis and price prediction, you're going to be among the first people that will be notified about it and probably watch the video on YouTube, watch tutorials on YouTube. Okay, so and also if you are active on Telegram, I want to believe that if you're into crypto, you must be active on Telegram. So all you have to do basically is to go to Telegram and search for as crypto niche, okay, underscore. Sorry about that. And out. Okay, when you search for it, it is a public channel. Okay, it's a public channel. So when you search for it, to come up in your search history, your search, then you can click on this, then you can click on join the channel. Okay. So for instance, now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to screenshot this analysis now. Okay, I will screenshot this analysis. Let me move this point. Then I will send this to that channel. You can just watch me right now. Okay, and I will send it to that channel. Okay, so for reference purpose, so in that channel you have access to all of this information also free. Okay, so to be it's gonna be there for reference purpose. All right. I'm gonna check the live chat now to see if you guys have any questions for me because I focus more on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a leading indicator as far as cryptocurrency trading is concerned. Okay, that's why I use that. So let me see if you guys have any question for me. Okay, I got more rows from Brighton. Thank you for that. I appreciate that a whole lot. A whole lot. God bless you. Okay, so guys, don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to hit the follow button. Let me see if you've got new follower. Okay, we have new followers. We have rodcf.co is a new follower. Thank you. We have Zal at gmail.com. He's a new follower. Thanks for that. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, I really, really appreciate that. Thanks for following me. Then we have 9998801 is following me. Thank you and thank you for that. And you have Bratang also following me. Thank you for following me, Bratang. I appreciate the whole lot. Thank you for that. So guys, and I hope you got some insight about the market. I hope you enjoyed the analysis. Okay, so this way we're gonna be saying goodbye for today. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna be seeing you guys again. So have a nice day, and enjoy the rest of the day. Well, let me even ask you before I leave, if you got any question, got any questions, okay, ask me now. Yeah, if you have any question, guys, feel free to ask me now. So I'm giving you the next couple of minutes, to ask you a question. That is, if you have any question to ask me. Okay, you have any question? Someone says hello. Okay, PGKVHHTWK. Anyways, I always encourage you guys to go back to your profile and change your name. All right, change your name. You can change the username to your real name. Okay, that's what I advise. Okay, so she says hello. So anyone have any question for me before I'll take a bow before I leave? Anyone have any question for me? I'll be glad to respond to your question. Okay, I'll be so glad to respond to your question and answer them. So that's why we are here basically to teach you. We are here basically to teach you, to share insight and update with you. Okay, so that you all can become a profitable trader. Okay, but the best way to become a profitable trader, really is to, okay, I'm gonna say pump. So I'm gonna say pump. Okay, the best way to become a profitable trader in the real sense is to manage your risk. Because I have this slogan that if you manage your risk very well, the profits will follow. Okay, profit will follow. Okay, so that's it. So you have to pay attention to what you're seeing around you. Okay, what you're seeing around you. So feel free to share this with your friends. Share the live stream with your friends. Invite them to Obi platform. Okay, and also feel free to pump up the likes emoji. And also don't forget to follow me. Okay, yeah, don't forget to follow me now. Yeah, that's it. So, guys, it's been a very nice time with you. Okay, so bye for now and enjoy the rest of your week. Okay, once I'm done with this now, the YouTube videos of this analysis will be available on YouTube very soon. Okay, so that's it. Bye for now. Enjoy the rest of